Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mahavaji. I hope you guys are doing really well. So, as we know that life is so uncertain, we don't even know about the very next moment. So, in today's video, we're gonna talk about a very serious topic, which is quite a lifesaver for you for sure. We're gonna discuss about the health insurance. So, without anything else, let's give it a shot. Before doing anything, the first thing that we have to know is that what the health insurance is and what is the health insurance in Pakistan. So, the health insurance provides the coverage at the time of hospitalization in case of medical need. It can reimburse the insured for expenses incurred from an illness or injury or pay the care provider directly. So let's know about what the health insurance is, what its definition is. So the health insurance is a contract between a company and a consumer. The company agrees to pay all or some of the insured person health care cost in return for the payments of the monthly premium. The contract is usually a year agreement during which the insurer will be responsible for paying specific expenses related to illness, injury, pregnancy, or the preventive care. The health insurance agreements in US generally come with expectations to coverage including a deductible that requires the consumer to pay the certain health care costs out of pocket up to a maximum amount before the company coverage begins. One or more co-payments that require the consumer to pay a set share the cost for the specific service or procedures. Health insurance pays most medical and surgical expenses and preventative care costs incurred by the insured person in return for a monthly premium payment. Generally, the higher the monthly premium is lower, the out-of-pocket costs are too. The insured. Virtually all insurance plans have deductibles and co-pays, but these out-of-pocket expenses are now capped by a federal law. Since 2010, the Affordable Care Act has prohibited insurance companies from denying the coverage to patients with pre-existing conditions and has allowed the children to remain on the parents' insurance plan until they reach the age of 26. Medical care, Medicaid, and the Children's Health Care Insurance Program, that is CHIP, are the federal health insurance plan that extends the coverage to older, disabled, and low-income people. Now, the thing that we have to discuss in this video includes how health insurance works. In the United States, health insurance is tricky to navigate. It is a business with a number of regional and national competitors whose coverage, pricing, and availability vary from state to state and even to the country. About the half of population has started in health insurance coverage as an employment benefit, with the premiums particularly covered by the employer. The cost to the employer is tax deductible to the payer, and the benefits of the employer are tax-free with certain exceptions for S corporation employees, self-employed people, freelancers, and gig workers can buy insurance directly on their own. The Affordable Care Act 2010, commonly called the Obamacare, mandated the creation of a national database called healthcare.government.gov, which allows the individual to search for standard plans for private insurers that are available where they live. The cost of coverage are subsidized for the taxpayers whose income are between 100% and 400% of the federal poverty threshold. So I hope this video is quite helpful for you and helped you to know the why health insurance is quite necessary. So Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.